Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp new update video note feature option not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Click on apps. Go to manage apps. Search WhatsApp application. Click on WhatsApp application. Go to storage. Tap on clear data. Again click on clear cache data on WhatsApp application. Step 2. Open Play Store. Click on search. Search WhatsApp application. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. You make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp new update video note feature option not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.